seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. In our video today I'm going to start with the primer, and all the products that I'll be using will be linked in the description section down below. So I'm just going in with the foundation, and I'm using a brush to spread the foundation evenly across my face. And the tip of using a brush is that you want to make sure that you use a setting spray or even rose water or any mist to help it spread equally if you're having a hard time putting on a matte foundation. Otherwise, you can also use a damp beauty blender. It also helps to spread the foundation evenly across your face, but I prefer using a brush. I don't know why, but I just prefer using a brush. I don't like the look that a beauty blender gives me generally. So that's a tip for the girls who love using brush. When you're blending in the foundation, you want to take your time and ensure that every part of your face is blended before going in with the concealer. Just take your time and ensure that each and every part of your face is blended and there are no harsh lines or separation, or a place where you can see the difference between your skin and your foundation. Here I'm using a concealer from Black Opal that is just one shade darker than my skin tone, and I'm just focusing on the dull areas of my face just to help contour those areas. Just take your time and blend in before you start highlighting your face. I actually believe there is no right or wrong way to apply your makeup. Each and every person has their own style. The only key secret is to ensure that everything is blended in so that you don't have two shades on your face, like your face and your neck, or your body and your face have two shades. Just try as much as you can to blend everything in. Okay, that aside, I've just highlighted my face using a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. And this helps lighten and contour my face. And I'm just applying enough before using a damp beauty sponge to blend. I prefer blending my concealer with a damp beauty sponge than a makeup brush, because a damp beauty sponge helps the concealer spread evenly across my face. So that's a tip for those people who have problem blending in their concealer. I choose to put most of the blending on the video. I did not cut or eliminate them to help guys know how I really achieve the looks I achieve. Here I'm just going back and forth and ensuring that everything is blended in. Just bear with the noise on my background. There's a construction going on and I have to finish this video. If you're enjoying this video so far, please remember to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is on your bottom right. That button saying subscribe. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Let me know what you think about this video. Yep. Here I'm just applying another layer of concealer. I learned somewhere that if you apply a layer of concealer and just let it sit there, the concealer will get lighter and it will have more impact in that it will show more. And I wanted to really highlight the inner part of my cheek, I don't know, or the eyes, the inner part of my eyes. Here I'm just shaping my eyebrows, and actually I'm using a Davis eye pencil. I'm just drawing a line and then just filling in the sparse areas before I conceal. I'm actually using the same concealer to highlight the brow bone. Is the brow bone, yeah, to highlight that area because it gives you a more snatched eyebrow and it cleans up any mess that you may have made by overlining your eyebrow. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change. With your eyebrows, you really want to take your time to ensure they're as similar as you can. They actually they can never be the same, but try as much as you can to make them as symmetrical as you can, because the eyebrows shape your face. Then the top out of my eyebrow, I'm going with my foundation shade and just cleaning up any mess before I use an eyebrow brush. It is the eyeshadow brush, and just blend everything in to prevent any harsh lines. I just went in with a beauty sponge and blended the concealer that I just used to highlight the inner part of my eyes, and just blend it all out. And I'm using the brush I used to apply my foundation to blend any harsh lines that may have been caused by the concealer, and a setting powder to set my eyebrows to prevent any creasing or any oil formation, because I tend to get oily on that area, and also set my eyeshadow. So here I just started by applying a transition color that really matched the concealer I used to contour my face, and this is just to bring back the dimensions on my eyes. I really did not know the eye look I was going for, so I started by using a black eyeshadow, thinking that I was just going to draw a cut crease, but I just continued blending in, and I came up with a halo-like eye look. And I'm just going to put all the details of the blending so that you guys can see. Way back a year ago, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. After blending everything in, I just used a green eyeshadow on the middle part of my face. Actually, I never used this color on my palette. I just went with that green color. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change. Here I'm just going back with my transition color and just blend it on the outer corners of my shadows to prevent any harsh lines. Then I'm setting in with my setting powder from Opal. I really love this setting powder, and I'm using it to set the highlighted points of my face, the places where I did put concealer, and also my cheekbones. I'm just using it to highlight my cheekbones because it gives you a lifted cheek looks. Okay. Okay, here I'm just going in with the what is this? This is a eyeliner, and just lining, creating a winged liner. I'm doing nothing special, just creating a normal winged liner. I'm just using a red eyeshadow and putting it on my cheeks to blush it up. I'm using it as a blush because generally speaking I've not found any good blush that is worth spending on. So far so good. I can use my eyeshadow as a blush and just blend it in and no one will know. So why not? That's what I'm using today. I did put on pressed powder and finished the look with false lashes and did my lips off camera. Yeah, and this is the final look.
Way back a year ago.